This one's super easy.
这个就超级简单的。
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm from Kazakhstan.
Oh,
Despite I look like...
Привет.
Привет.
Очень рад, что вы приехали из Казахстана.
It's my pleasure to. Thank you.
Okay.
哈萨克斯坦的朋友。
Okay, this idiom means that, in fact, it means Om Mani Padme Hum. Don't use this teaching as fashion. Yes, don't make yourself famous or something like that.
Yeah.
But really understand it and use it to upgrade. Yes, as a,
Okay.
yes. So this is the meaning of this.
Cool.
And this mantra means that I want to act like a Buddha. I want to talk like a Buddha. I want to think like a Buddha. And there is nothing in my teacher that not comes from me. And my teacher is like a diamond in a lotus.
Super perfect.
超级完美。
Thank you.
他的意思就是说
$100.
100美金给到他，哇。
Okay. You get from her, okay?
去找小平，
Don't forget.
不要忘记了，
Otherwise, she will keep it.
不然的话他会自己放在口袋的。他的回答就是，
Okay.
这个念珠呢，不要用来只是时尚，而是要去用它来修行，来提升自己。然后意思是 Om Mani Padme Hum 的意思就是我要像佛陀一样，行为、言语跟思维。然后老师身上没有任何的地方是不来自于我的种子的，就像莲花当中的钻石一样。
Yeah. I think we should give Stanley a hand for translation.
我想我们要感谢一下 Stanley 的翻译。